Hello, everybody, again, and welcome to another episode of Stock Talk. I am your host, Mike, and in the background we have the Chamomile Prince, Cameo.
Got no money.
He's
got no money.
Cameo. What's going on, dog?
Not much. Another day, another dollar.
As you can see, the TV in the background, we got the Chick-fil-A gift card drawing right now, and then we're going to go into some hot stocks because Cameo's got no money, but he wants to give it away. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. All right, so get ready, guys, because I'm mixing up the draw. Cameo, you didn't put your old lady in here, did you?
I did.
Oh, yeah? Because you guys never know that you never know that Cameo possibly could put the old lady in the drawing, you know? Who's it going to be? Is Price Rescue going to take it down, or is somebody else going to take it this time? And you do have 24 hours to claim the prize. If you don't, whoever you are in this piece, you will forfeit, and there'll be a drawing tomorrow. And Camille, do we want to do that?
No, we don't.
No, we don't want to do that. So, the lucky winner is... Drums, please, Camille.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Jan Free or Jan Freddick, I don't know. Jan Free, you've got 24 hours to claim your gift card. We're going to notify you by the comments section. If you do not claim the gift card within 24 hours, we will move on to the next one and the drawing continues. So Jan Free, you will be notified by message tonight as soon as the video uploads. You'll be notified tonight, Cameo, and it will be to the sound of the guitar bite. What say you?
Yep, the guitar fights, and then it loves you.
No, the guitar bite. But you could have a guitar fight. So anyway, there's the drawing right there. 24 hours to claim. We're going to go on to today's hot stocks, or semi-hot stocks. Okay, guys, so the first stock we have is HITI. HITI, last tick was $7.27. Check it out, the graph I brought up to you, the 6-month history report on this stock. Going into this company on the website and also on the content here on Market Watch, it looks like they engage in the manufacture and retail of cannabis, smoking accessories, and lifestyle products. It operates through the following segments: wholesale, retail, and corporate. The retail represents the Canna Cabana and Kush Bar and Grass City. Oh, that's a good name. I like Grass City there. Going into the website, looks pretty good there. I'm just going to shove it up in front of the camera there. You got your investors information there. You got our story. It looks like a decade's experience in the cannabis industry, leading enterprise operating across America and the United States. Founded in 2009, the portfolio of companies is a dominant Canadian cannabis retail chain, a global manufacturer and distributor of cutting-edge consumption of accessories. It performs e-commerce platforms in the world combined with online platforms that sits with platforms that saw almost 100 million. That's insane. They spent the last decade in developing an intimate understanding of cannabis consumers of the suite of retail experiences to service the interests of unique high tide for international expansion through emerging legal markets. So there you go on that. With the retail segment, they have Canna Cabana. Launched in 2018, Canna Cabana is the original stop for cannabis shop to serve the customers with cannabis consumptions with accessory needs and consumption of High Tide's flagship retail brand, bringing a plentiful, playful, sophisticated vibe to the Canadian cannabis industry. They've cemented themselves the favorite among the cannabis consumers. Its differential experiences focus on the unmatched selection of consumption of accessories and cannabis expertise delivered to friendly knowledge, bud tenders. You also have the Meta Cannabis angle. Founded in 2014, Meta Cannabis is a retail network with modern, mindful concept based on education-first model and through partnerships and indigenous nations across Canada. Meta brings welcoming, futuristic spaces for Ontario and Manitoba and Saskatchewan. You also have in the mix New Leaf Cannabis. New Leaf is one of the recreational cannabis retail networks in Canada. New Leaf was founded in the principal community engagement of the connection with 12 locations. Alberta, New Leaf brings a friendly and bright and natural concept of retail for cannabis. Then you have Grass City. That's a perfect name. Grass City was founded in 2000. Grass City is the world's first online head shop. From humble beginnings of Amsterdam, Grass City is now the world's largest online retailer of consumption accessories, shipping over 130,000 orders a year for the USA, UK, and EU, with sites exceeding 26 million and 200 in 2020. The original e-commerce platform was well positioned to service expanded customers based on the future. And then you also have the Smoke Cartel. The Smoke Cartel was founded in 2013. In 43 million site visits in 2020, one of the leading global consumers of retail consumption accessories. And then you have the Daily High Club. The Daily High Club provides a marketplace with a variety of huge quality products. And then you have Dank Stop as well. And you can go over the other ones on Hard Tide. We're going to go to the alphabets, check out what they're saying about this. So following along at the article at home, High Tide is a retail-focused cannabis corporation enhanced by the manufacturing and distribution of consumption accessories. It filed in its financial results of the third quarter of 2021, ending July 31st, 2021. The highlights are included in the news release. The full set of condensed interim consolidated financial statements and management discussions analysis can be viewed by High Tide's website. Its profile is sadar.com and its profile page is Edgar SEC. The company has a conference call to discuss the results at 6 p.m. Eastern at September 14th, 2021. So there you have it. The third quarter 2021 financial highlights. The revenue increased by 99% to $48.1 million in 3 months and ended July 31st. Looks like they incorporated Meta Growth Corporation in November 18, 2020, Smoke Cartel March 24, 2021, Fab Nutrition on May 10, 2021, and DHC Supply LLC on July 6, 2021. As of today, Cabana membership has grown 45%. You heard it first, 45% approximately to 221,127, due in part to the success of one-stop shop accessories promotion. Gross profit increased to 75% to $16.7 million in the last 3 months and ended July 31st, 2021. So guys, as you can see with all these numbers here, for their gross profit in the last 3 months, it ended July 31st, 2021, 35% compared to 40% in that same last quarter. So as you can see guys, with the combination of the acquisitions there, they have picked up a bunch of heavy hitters. So this is going to play strong, and this is as far as with legalization going forward, I do see this not staying at the price it is. And you know, sometimes I'll say that, but I'll call a pump a dump. This isn't one of those. This has as far as the revenue here to back it up, and it has all the people, just like when we did one of the secret heavy hitters out there that's a sub so far. Some are calling it pump dump, whatever you can call it. I don't think so. It's similar playing out of GTH, so go and look at that with SimFit Nutrition when they keep on gobbling up the nutrition companies. These guys are as far as farther along than they are, and you're going to see these guys have the revenue as far as, and this is not going to be a $7 a share stocks here soon. As soon as things get pumping and moving here, once the two parties here quit playing musical chairs in theater with what they're doing right now, and they could get back to talking about getting some of these things legalized in these other states. So with that, we are going to go on to Stockwits and check out what the real traders are saying. Okay guys, going on to Stockwits, that's where the real traders are at. Wolf on Pot Street says, congrats to all the HIT shareholders. Revenues QQQYOY results in much better than expected. Future is looking bright. Looks like best green cannabis sector play. We got bullish here. We got DOCMP writes, should be a big day tomorrow. Several analysts projecting $12 to $16 projections. That's not that far off as far as that. I do see that in the future. Whether it happens tomorrow, we'll see. 99% revenue growth, 93 locations, retail locations, white label products, CBD sales internationally, and 99 million online shoppers. Huge, huge, huge. Looks like, what are the odds I wake up tomorrow and non-dilutive bank financing? That's from Vanessica. Wow, still trending. Maybe it's time to stop worshiping Raj. Bought the baby dip. Lauren Bryant says, I've made 264 scam.com. And then you got, remember when this was a penny stock y'all did now, and now you keep going down? Well, time to join the party. It's not too late. Well, everybody's here and they're going to join the party. Looks like we got, could be a $40 stock. Yeah, if they keep on bringing on the heavy hitters and this thing goes legal, you're not going to see this thing anymore as far as 50 states. So let's just keep on hoping and keep on buying and holding. From valuation standpoint, HITI is a growth company. It shouldn't care less right now of EPS. It seems like folks have an attempt to value still love. So as you can see, we're still highlighting comments here. I still love Raj. Anyone ever sold at $30? Especially enjoy blocking the silly little bears closing. There's always the sour patches out there that'll do that all the time. It's the bears. It's the big dogs in there trolling. They think they're all bad, but you know what? Is what it is. Started position today, feeling good about the earnings. Let's go. Okay, guys, the next stock we have is SNMN. SNMN. Last tick was 0.0023. Guys, on this one, I just want to let you know that this is on the pump up and jam list. Yeah, pump up the jam, pump it up a little more. Sorry, I forgot to say, you guys, we lost Cameo too. He's out in the People's Republic of somewhere, I don't know. Looking at the 6-month history, you're going to be all over the charts because, yeah, it's a sub and it is what it is and it's being promoted. So it could be a pump up the jam, and just to let you know, it's on all the lists right there and it's hopping and bopping. We will tell you why. We'll go into the news if there's any news popping. So SNM Global is a holding company which focuses on the entertainment and media sector. Its projects include Bullet Point Productions, Bay Growth Solutions, and Resurrection Baltimore movie, Potential Dog, and Deck Productions. So we're going to get into it and check it out, and let's get right to it. Okay, guys, going on to the website and going into Bullet Point Films, and a lot of their things are posted on Twitter as well. Bullet Point Films is a free streaming service now live. Sign up and watch their award-winning films today. Bullet Point Films is a division of S&M Global Holdings, is a Miami-based production company. Production company specializes in original film, animation, and documentary and media. They have stream award-winning films, The Ghost of 33rd Street, Love Letters to the Shore. They have 2,200 plus active streamers. Just wait till that adds up. If it catches on and does more, your little cheapy stock could be more, or acquisition or something else going along there. What do they have to say? The Bullet Point team is dedicated to providing quality content and services to all. They have been an easy, great deal, and great to work with through the process. That's Lorinda Jefferson. Let's talk business. Contact us. You can go to contact them if you want to learn more. Let's go check out the feed and see what they got going on here. Let's go right in more on this website and check it out. Okay, guys, popping on the alphabets there. No news is not sometimes good news at all, or sometimes it is good news. In this point, maybe you'll see some more news popping as this shows up on the Pump Up the Jam list. Going on to Stockwits, we have looks like we have about 549 people following this stock. Looks like we have, was going to call this yesterday because the daily signal developed and we haven't had a gap in drops. We're expecting this low to climb up a little bit. That's from Makuleko. Looks like loaded up on the dip. If you can load up on the dip and get a bunch of cheap seats, I'm all down for it. So, I mean, it is what it is. You just sock it, lock it, and put it in your pocket. Let's see. OTC Momentum has news. 5-minute delay. That's from Gap's Discord. Bearish Bull says SM Fam has taken a look at TWOH. If you're looking at a pink currently play in the emerging market, TOH revenues are growing dramatically. So he wants you to go check out that one, which is, I think we covered that one before there. The CEO is such a liar. This comes from Juzif96. He says in his interview, he said we're going to have a dilution, and yet at 1.8B and 2B, check it, look it up. Second, he will have revealed the Hem Hub by the end of August, and yet nothing. I lost over 2K, and I'm happy to be out of this shit. So there you go. That is from Joseph96. So like I said, on this show, you not only get what the real traders are saying, but you also, that you get all the information, so you're putting it in there and you're seeing what you're getting there, what you're buying into. Ribby was on my watch list today, up 90% at this point. Check it out on scam.com. Okay, so we got some more information here. This is from APTY Ape. He says that Entertainment and Media Holding Company $500 million funding deal. You have ran into charts looks nice, catalyst lined up, so we'll see how that adds up there. Looks we have more here. Same with Gap Discord. Zero revenues available to be had. This is from S Divine Ments 1. Zero. A 3 documentary crap website with a free email sign up to watch their shit. He said the CEO has made movies and sold them to his own company for $500,000. HemHub Fake Ventures mentioned they'll generate pennies similar. So that's some of the risks there too you got, as far as that some of these are dinero raisers and they don't make anything. Do something. We have Google reviews 4.4 stars. That's especially good for OCC trading. So you got to make and see. You got to check where you're comfortable at your entry point. You've seen what the real traders have said about this. There's nothing in the Mockingbirds. It is on a promotion list, so be careful with your entry point. Hopefully we'll get another one covered tomorrow, just because we did the drawing today. And we also had, if someone doesn't claim this card, then we'll be drawing again tomorrow. So that took up some of our time. And don't make it a dog show. Always remember to be safe, and good night now!